Hey, Tatiana here. I'm going to show you how to clean inside your shower. Over time, you can get some mildew buildup and stains on the grout, and I'm going to show you the quickest and easiest way to do it with natural products. You'll just need a few simple tools and some time to clean this shower, and so let's get started. I like using an extendable brush. You can extend it so that you don't have to use your back. You can also use these simple types of brushes, a terry towel, or a surgical towel like mine, a squeegee, baking soda, a bowl, a 1/4 cup measuring cup, apple cider vinegar. You will also need some dish soap. Put 1/4 measuring cup of baking soda into your bowl. Put 1/4 measuring cup of apple cider vinegar into your bowl. Add 1 drop of dish soap. Grab your brush and mix the solution. Okay, now you have your solution with your brush and your tiling grout that has mildewed. Put solution onto the brush and start by cleaning the grout. All right, now here's my bowl. I just filled it with water. So with the cleaned part, you just want to wipe it over with water. The last step is to take your squeegee, just squeegee all the water off. Then use your terry towel to just dry any excess water off. Before, after. And you're done. That's it.